So hello everyone. So welcome back to the another project video, project video idea. So in CodersArts. So in this video we are going to explain a new idea which we are going to create. So which is the plant care reminder application. So your personal botanist. Basically, it is a slogan that we are going to provide to our application. In this, we are going to develop a plant care reminder application. So let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction, you can see we have a project name which is known as the plant care reminder application. And what is the objective of creating this application? To help the plant enthusiasts take better care of the plant, providing the timely reminder and watering, fertilizing, and the other maintenance tasks. Who are the target user? Plant lovers, gardeners, and anyone who is interested to keeping their plants healthy and thriving. So these are the target user that we are going to focus. So let's move to the problem statement. What are the current challenges facing in this? So forgetting to water or fertilize a plant on time, so lack of knowledge about the specific plant care requirements, and difficulty in managing care schedules for the multiple plants. What is the proposed solution that we are going to do? The plant care reminder apps act as a personal botanist, offering a tailored schedules and reminders based on the each plant and the unique needs, ensuring the proper maintenance and the healthy growth. So plant database, and what is the key feature basically we are going to provide is the plant database and the profile. So we are going to create the extensive database of the plant with the detailed care information, instruction and information, watering, light, and etc. And secondly, user can create the profile for their plants including the photos and the custom names. Secondly, we are going to provide a customized care schedule, set reminders of watering, fertilizing, pruning, and reporting other care of other care tasks. And then after we are going to customize the care and schedule the base schedules based on the user location, season, and the plant type. Thirdly, we are going to integrate the notification and reminder setting, where we are going to add the push notification for the upcoming care tasks, daily and weekly, monthly views of the care calendar, tips and guide. So fourth, we are going to add the tips and guide. We are going to add the expert tips and the article on the plant pest control and many more. And secondly, we are going to create the seasonal care advice and the gardening tips. Fifth one is we are going to add a community and sharing. So the user can share the plant profile and the care routines with their friends and family, and also able to join the community of the plant enthusiasts for the support and the inspiration. So what is the implementation plan that we are going to follow? So we are going to create the UI UX. So we are going to design a user-friendly, visually appealing interface for the intuitive navigation. And secondly, we are going to focus on the accessibility and the ease of the use of the clear icons and a simple instruction. Secondly, that we are going to create a backend. We have a backend team as well. So we are going to develop the backend for the robust backend for managing the plant data, user profiles, and the notification. And secondly, we are going to use the cloud services for data storage and synchronization across the devices. Frontend in Android side, we are going to implement the app frontend using the Android SDK and the Kotlin. We are going to integrate the feature like photo uploads, push notification, and the calendar views in our Android application. Fourthly, we are going to create the plant database integration. We are going to build and integrate a comprehensive plant database with a detailed care instruction. And secondly, we are going to allow the user to add the custom plans and care routine. Fifth, last but not least, we are going to do the testing and deployment. We are going to conduct through a testing of functionality, usability, and performance and security. We are going to deploy this application on the Google Play Store according to our need, or we can just generate a signed APK which we can use according to our need. So with the regular updates and improvement, we are going to implement based on the user feedback. We are going to implement. So what is the benefits of creating this project? So the benefit of creating this project for users: simplified plant care, increase the knowledge about the plant needs and the healthier plants. So and for developers, we are going to experience a database management system and user experience design and the app development. What is the future enhancement that we are going to do in our application? Firstly, we are going to create the integration with the smart plant sensor, real-time monitoring, and AI power plant identification and the care advices. In app plant, we are going to shopping with the delivery services, community features like forum, plant swap event, and the expert Q&A session. So these are the things that future enhancement we are going to add, and for benefits you can have a look into it. So thank you everyone. So if you have any idea like this, or if you wanted to create any other applications, you can just drop a mail at the contact@codersarts.com. So we are always here to help you. Thank you so much.